Thank you for clicking our YouTube channel, guys. And in this episode, we will be going to Joggers Park. And welcome back to our new episode, guys. So let's go. We will be reaching to Joggers Park, and you are watching this video from Sri Vijay Puram and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, guys. Let's go. Like in all episode, guys, we will be moving from our house, and so today we will be going in fort. So guys, in this episode we will be going to the Joggers Park, newly renovated Joggers Park, guys, right? And before that we will be going to where? Calicut, guys. So let's go, guys. Let's go in, not in Alto, in fort. So guys, we have reached to Calicut, and we will be moving into here. After a while we will be going to, there's a croc here. After a while we will be going to Joggers Park, guys. So guys, it's been 14 days, like this is going to be 15 days. I have kept my vehicle here, you can see here. So since it is a diesel vehicle, so we cannot keep this vehicle for a long time. So what I'm thinking, I'm going to start this vehicle, right? So we'll start this vehicle because otherwise it may have some kind of problems. So let's start this vehicle, guys. Oh my god, battery is getting down, I guess. It's not getting on now. Is the battery is gone? I don't know, guys. Let's check it. Let's start one more time. Oh shit, I think I lost the battery. No, it's not going to on now. I think the battery is gone, guys. Shit, no, man. Oh no, it's not getting started now. We'll take the battery later and we'll start it. This vehicle is not starting now because it's been 15 days. The battery is gone now. I need to charge the battery first. Okay, we'll see what to do. Oh, I think I need to service my vehicle. It's showing like scheduled service is due. So we will inform the Mahindra and they will look after it. So let's go, guys. So actually the thing is that we will be going to the new Joggers Park. The Joggers Park has been renovated, and I would like to show you the new park which has been set up in Sri Vijay Puram, guys. So we will be go now. Be with us. Yes. Well, I'm feeling so sad about my vehicle because I kept this vehicle for a long time, and I should have given my vehicle to the service center before. Anyhow, we'll give my vehicle on in this Sunday, or I don't know. We'll take the time. We'll arrange the schedule for that to take my vehicle to Mahindra Service Center, guys. So we will be moving towards Joggers Park now, guys. Let's go. We'll have some time there and we'll show you how the renovation work has been done in Joggers Park. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We are reaching Joggers Park. See, from here we can see the Sri Vijay Puram new board. Oh my God.
Whoa.
Whoa, we are
It's
reaching.
newly inaugurated Joggers Park.
Yes, newly
Let's see
renovated.
what all we can see in the newly inaugurated.
Let's
it's not
go, guys.
newly inaugurated,
Yeah.
newly renovated Joggers Park.
Correct. So let's go inside this thing. Joggers Park. So what's the plan now? So finally guys, we have reached to the Joggers Park, or after coming here we have got plenty of space here.
I think the only thing, restaurant is only like this.
Yeah.
Rest all that is
Rest all things has been changed now. So we'll be going towards that portion.
Yes.
There's a lot of two-wheelers are parked here, right?
I've never seen this many two-wheelers in Joggers Park.
Yes.
And actually,
Me too.
have you seen this much crowd in
No,
Joggers
the
Park?
first time I'm saying this thing. So let's go. Do we have any entry ticket? The person is standing here.
No,
no?
it's not.
It's free rides, guys. It's totally free for everyone. Let's go inside. Oh, first thing which I have noticed, guys, that it's a mat here, right?
Yes, man.
The first thing I have noticed, I thought it's a tile, but it's like cushioning thing. So it's a mat, guys. There's a lot of mat has been spread in all over this Joggers Park. It's a fantastic thing, right? They have done.
Yes, earlier it was tiles, I guess.
Yeah, it was tiled. And this is mat. It's a good one thing. Good to see. One more thing is that here we can find it's a solar lamps.
Yes, solar. So, Kudu, does this place reminds you of any other place?
Yeah, this place reminds me. Which place?
Botanical garden.
Botanical garden. Yeah, botanical garden. Where in Hado?
No, Ooty.
Oh yes. It's something looks like an Ooty places. You'll go there.
Yes.
From here you can see Ross Island, guys. I think this place has been renovated nowadays.
It was not there.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, here it was a gym now.
No. Gym has been placed in that side, guys.
Gym is in same location
Yeah,
only.
it's a super place. See, from here you can see the Rose Island and some residential place
flag point also.
Yeah, flag point.
Means the
You can
flag.
see the flag also, guys, here. And some portion of residential area of South Point, Sadipur area, right?
That's Shadipur Road. No?
Yeah. So we have one more thing. It's an old one. Now it's a renovated. See, here we can have gym also. We'll do some.
Gymma?
Yeah.
Gymma no.
You don't like to do that?
No.
Since we have this thing, guys. And one more, this one. I'm going to sit.
Only one shot.
Guys, there's a lot of things here. We can rotate this wheel. Is it like we are driving
in a ship.
Yeah, ship. It's the wheelhouse of a ship. This is for what we can say is for chest, na? For chest. Yeah, like this. Okay, it's good. We'll go some more places. Guys, there is one more platform they have made here. This is, I think it's for yoga, right?
Yes.
To do yogas and all we can do here. It's so beautiful from here.
I think they have.
Today is holiday and also holy. Holy plus
I
holiday.
thought you were saying holiday.
Yeah, it's a holiday and plus holy day. Both have came in the same day. So beautiful, guys.
See the changes in the sky. It's about to get sunset.
Yeah, it's about to get changed now. So we'll go inside. We'll go from this path. We'll move towards that portion. Let's go.
So what?
Why they have designed this kind of arc-like structure? Do you have any idea?
So
Yes.
if it is raining, you can stand in.
Exactly. If it is raining, then people can stand here, right? Guys, this one, if you keep walking in this way, If you are walking in this way, it's a kind of science. It's a kind of science. I have read in the book that if you walk like this, you will not have any kind of disease and all. Physically and mentally, you will be
Till now, I was knowing that it is
fit.
for a two-wheeler license.
Yeah, it's not for two-wheeler license, but this one is for
Not this
mental.
one, the number 8.
Eight, na? Yeah, yeah. This one, guys, this is for mental healing steps, guys. This is good for walk in morning. How are you? कैसे हो आप? That's our madam. We'll take photograph.
Yeah, it is the best place for all age groups, even kids.
Yeah. This is
Teenage.
teenage also, right? For small kids also,
And for
old age people also, right? Yeah. See, this is a lot of crowd here, guys. A lot of crowd here. Some are taking photographs, right?
So what all you can see is new area.
New means we have a new arch-like structure here.
The stage structure.
Floor has been changed.
Stage.
Floor has been changed. There is one stage has been
The
constructed.
solar lamp.
One more thing is the solar lamps, guys. Solar lamps has been added, and also the garden places. Yes,
New plants have been.
new plants has been planted, guys. The old Joggers Park was good, or the new one?
No, old one.
Yeah.
Old one was
You like the
also-
old one or the new Joggers Park?
New one, of course, it has.
Yes.
New
Of course.
They have used more space area, I guess.
Yeah.
More space.
Yeah. More space areas they have taken, and I think that the walkable area has been
Star 360 wala nadapunda.
increased, right? Hi. That's our Insta 360 person. You remember that person?
Hi.
Yeah.
We met him in Chiriata.
We met him in Chiriatapu, right?
We first came across Insta 360
Insta 360.
in his hand.
Yeah. One more thing I was telling, like the pathway has been, it's much wider, na?
Yes.
This pathway has much wider.
Earlier it
now.
was a tiled one, now it is a carpet.
Carpet, and it is much wider in sense. The benches are the same, na?
They
Two
have not
spots.
increased the number of benches. That
Yeah,
is-
the benches are less. So what else we want to have here? Light and sound show here, or you want a very big screen here? People will sit here and watch the movies and all.
No, it won't be like that because it is a health related.
Health related things. So from here we can see the beautiful, what is it?
They
The
can
runway.
do yoga sections.
Yoga sections. Yeah, it's good
No,
to come on mornings.
It is open from 4 o'clock and it is
Morning 4 o'clock. So guys, it's been open from morning 4 o'clock till
8:30 p.m.
8:30 p.m. Yeah, it's till 8:30 p.m. guys. See guys, this is the airport view of Joggers Park, and that's our international Sri airport. You wanna take some photographs from here?
You know.
Let's take some photographs. Before 6 years, I used to run in this thing. Previously, we were in Nagaon, so I used to come
So
morning
it
here.
is the nearest park.
Yeah, it was the nearest point for me. So daily morning, I used to come here. Do you have an idea? What's your mind says?
I think they are going
Something-
to do water means
Waterfall? Yes,
they
guys.
might be doing some.
Kind of waterfall there, right? So guys, I think there's going to be some waterfall. Creative ideas has been put up by, is it constructed by APWD or which department?
PBMC.
PBMC. Maybe it's a kind of amphitheater. See guys.
Yes.
Oh, it's a waterfall.
Waterfall.
So a lot of pipes are here, so we can see the waterfall from here, guys. It's a nice idea, right? Na Sanjana? It's a nice idea. Maybe it's a musical font. They have
Maybe.
lights also.
Not musical.
These steps have lights. So guys, this is your new Joggers Park, which has recently been renovated, guys. You can see a lot of people are here
So all I've came to know that it has been renovated.
Yeah, it has been renovated. So one lamp has just now has lighted up. Do you have any idea why the three red lamps are there? See?
For aircrafts.
Aircrafts, exactly. Red lights have much more intensity than any other lights, na? Web gear. And the last we have the
R.
R. R has the high frequency. So let's walk.
We are walking only.
Yes, we are walking only. Come on, let's go,
walk,
guys.
let's
Sanjana, it's a kind of yoga asana.
This is not a yoga asana. See, he
It's a
is
yoga
about
asana.
to run.
Huh?
He is about to run.
It's about to run. That's Surya Namaskar.
Now he is
I
in
guess.
start position, and this is about
About to race. So, Sanjana, what do you think? What about the light system, light arrangements in Joggers Park?
So actually, Kutu was mentioning that once the lights are on, we'll go after that.
Yeah.
But we asked the watchman. He
Yes.
said that once the airport runway lights are off, then only they can switch on the lights.
So that's the things, guys. So
we can't wait till then.
once the runway light is getting off, we will be having illuminated this Joggers Park, guys, right? The Joggers Park will get illuminated.
It's directly proportional to the runway lights.
Yeah, you can say it's directly proportional to the runway lights. So why it is so? Like it may
So
be
it might disturb the flights.
flights moving around the Sri Vijay Puram, right? Yeah. So guys, maybe give a wrong concept of the flight.
So they might land here.
Yeah, they're going to land here.
They might land here.
Yes. There's a small dog here. Baby, come here. Come. Whoa. So guys, hope you have enjoyed episodes. So
So you can come to the newly renovated Joggers Park. It is open to all. We were not knowing about it. As soon as we came to know, we made our mind that we will come to Joggers Park.
okay.
So it was a
Till
good decision.
then, subscribe to our channel, like,
Like, share,
share,
and
and subscribe to the channel, guys. Till then, bye bye. See you. Bye.